My dear brothers and sisters, I wish to invite all of you, maybe after the Mass, to look and scan through the feast or memorials of the Church, or shall we say, to take a look at every liturgical celebration that we do celebrate. It could be a date of the saint's birth or death, or shall we say martyrdom. If that saint is a pope, his feast day could be the beginning of his Petrine ministry, or a date when he founded or started something during his pontificate. Or to some saints, the foundation day of his or her community or her congregation. But come to think of it, the Church today celebrates not a death nor a birth, but someone's conversion. Kung mayroon po kayong nakita pang iba, ako ito lang yung napansin kong kakaiba, na ang simbahan pinagdiriwang ang pagbabagong buhay ng isang tao. The day when the Church is happy because God has changed someone's life. The Church is celebrating over one who embraced God's act of conversion. Masaya ang simbahan dahil may nagbagong buhay. Again, masaya ang simbahan dahil may nagbagong buhay. Pero hindi lang po doon natatapos iyon. Hindi lang masaya ang simbahan dahil may nagbago. Dahil kasama sa pagiging masaya ay ang pagtingin ng may pag-asa na kaya ang pagbabago. We are not only happy because someone has changed, but because we are also hopeful that change is possible. Not only for others, but also for us. Akala natin ang pagbabago para lang sa iba. Pero tayo din pala yung kailangan ng pagbabago. If the Church is happy because someone has changed, most especially a change that is something good and something meaningful, why can't we be happy as well? Kaya ba nating maging masaya dahil may nagbago? Kaya ba natin na makita ang pag-asa na posible pala na kayang magbago ng isang tao? And this is something quite sad in today's world. We cannot be happy at someone's success story and conversion story. Plastic kapag sinabing nakitang nagbago na siya. Nagkukunwari kapag ipinakita na niya ang kanyang pagbabago. Pakitang tao kapag sinabing nagbago na siya. Ayaw na makita na kayang magbago ng tao. Hopeless ang tingin sa tao pagdating sa pagbabago. But my dear brothers and sisters, today's feast day is a reminder to each and every one of us. May we be happy because someone has changed, but we may also be hopeful for the chances of change in us. Let us be happy because someone has changed. Let us be hopeful because change is possible for us.
Please stand.